friends from the media, dear colleagues, a very good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to welcome our outgoing region IGP, Dr. Alok Mohan sir, to this function with a bouquet on behalf of the entire department. On behalf of the department, I would also like to welcome our newly appointed DGN IGP, Dr. M.A. Salim sir. We have gathered here for the change of pattern of the police department. But before going to there, I would like to express a few words about these outstanding officers. Our outgoing DGN IGP, Dr. Alok Mohan sir, is handing over the baton after a very successful tenure of 2 years as DGN IGP. As we all know, sir belongs to 1987 batch of IPS and he has rendered 38 years of dedicated service to the nation. Sir has served in almost all wings of the department with distinction, including as DGP in Prison and Fire Department, as ADGP in Law and Order, Admin, ACB, among others, as IGP Western Range, Joint City, Crime Bangalore City, SPs of 4 districts. During the last 2 years, there have been innumerable achievements and laurels for the department. Some of the important achievements during Sir's tenure as DGN IGP include creation of new police stations and a separate urban and narcotic division for tackling the menace of narcotics, initiatives like ITMS and Astram in traffic management, reorganization of Bangalore City Police, upgradation of 10 police stations from TI to DSPs, 33 new police stations in DCRE, creation of 2 IRBs and several other initiatives for the welfare of the staff, including enhancement of tenure for the field staff from 1 year to 2 years, enhancement of sitting charges, annual health checkup amount and special insurance from 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs. And it has been extended. Earlier it used to be only up to inspectors. Now it has been extended to all ranks of the department. Sir is highly decorated with national as well as international awards. Our newly appointed DGN IGP, Dr. M.A. Salim sir, is no stranger to us and is liked equally by officers and staff of the department. Salim sir has very rich experience, having worked as SPs in Udupi and Hassan, DCPs East and Traffic East in Bangalore City, IGP Eastern Range, Commissioner of Police Mysore, Additional CP Traffic and Special CP Traffic in Bangalore City. Sir is rightly considered as an authority in traffic management and he has also written a book on the same. Salim sir is also highly decorated with national as well as international awards. Now I request sirs to kindly exchange the baton.
All my colleague officers who are here, my family of colleagues, the newly appointed DGN and GP of the state, all the then from media, other staff from the head office and from other laboratories. It is exactly 2 years back, 22nd of May, I had taken charge as DGN IGP. And all of you were there. And how 2 years have grown, we have not realized also. Now today when I sit here along with Dr. Salim and my other colleagues, we are realizing that 365 multiplied by so many days have gone. And I think all my colleagues who are here, we have been together on this journey on day-to-day basis. All my officers who have worked with the chief office, I think for them also it must be like that only, as well as officers in the city, CID itself, we have been, I think, every day we were working for 48 hours. So the journey that we have crossed in 2 years is quite significant, and I'm extremely happy that Dr. Pradeep is highly experienced and a very balanced person. And in the last 2 years, I think every meeting that I have called in PG office, one way or other, he was always associated with that. And he has contributed immensely in whatever I have also done in the department. And each one of you, I think we always believe in the teamwork. I think I can feel each one of you your advice. And I can only say that whatever achievement has been there for Karnataka State Police in the last 2 years is your achievement. Each one of you have contributed. I can say without any doubt, perhaps I am the longest serving IPS officer in the country. With 8.5 years, there is no department in the police which I have not worked in one of the ranks from the street. Internationally, I have seen the police force. I can say with full conviction that Karnataka State Police is not one of the best, it is the best police. And it is not best police force just like that. Of course, the these are the people who manage them in each one. I am very proud to say. Maybe I was a little minor in expressing my appreciation to each one of you while working. I think we had a lot of targets to achieve, but each one of you individually, you are outstanding officers. Together, you are forced to be volunteer. I am extremely happy that our state police force is very good, one of the best. In fact, even the German police recognized after we invited them to Karnataka. Even their parliamentary delegation was also here, and they realized that they have to learn from us. Now the things have turned other way around. Where our people used to go to Germany to learn. Now they are planning. We are inviting them to learn how the public order is treated. So I can always say with a lot of satisfaction that I was leader of a team which is having teammates who are excellent, outstanding. And when you get team members like this, you have to be very satisfied. And all the achievements are your achievements. I wish that in days to come, we will keep progressing. Karnataka is also, in my opinion, one of the best states in terms of administration in general, as well as the political support which is there to the police is also immense. I think in last 2 years, there was no moment when we were not independent in taking our decisions on each and every issue. We have done a lot. We have to do a lot. Society very keenly looks at the police. And we are the people who are ready to manage any distress, whether it is individual or whether it is social. Bangalore City Police, 25% of the population of Karnataka stays in Bangalore. 25% of police force is there in Bangalore, but 75% of the image of Karnataka police depends upon the output of Bangalore police. Anything which happens here, it gets reflected very, very strongly. And I'm very, very happy that we have been able to manage Bangalore City Police, Mysore City Police, all the city police forces, all the district police. Everybody was assigned, and there was no case which went, whether the criminal is running from Gulbarga to Kolar or whether he is running from Chikbala to Belgaum. Everywhere, all the police forces, they work, district and the city work together. And I am very appreciative of the fact that with all the constraints that we have got, especially traffic issues in Bangalore, and the criminals also have become quite high-tech now. But we have always been one step ahead of them. And all the credit goes to all of them. Whatever initiatives we thought, we planned, they were implemented absolutely in total. Especially all the DGs and additional DGs who work very closely with me. I think they are just outstanding. Everything. Today, whatever proposals we sent to government could be followed, the additional DG administration, law and order situation being maintained, creating law and order city police commissioner, Bangalore City, training, we are today training 4,000 and odd people in one go all over the state. ABB training from that. CTRS, our traffic accidents have come down. One of the few states in the country where our traffic accidents have come down significantly by almost 10 to 12%. The credit goes to him and the officers who are below. So where these activities are concerned, I must compliment the ISD as well as the intelligence to keep a total watch over them. The surrender of Naxals was one of the perhaps most outstanding examples wherein police has worked very proactively to ensure that the people who are misguided they are brought back into the system as such. There is a lot to say, but when there is a lot to say, best thing is to say yes. So I thank each one of you for part of my team, and I am very sure that Mr. Salim will have still more success than what I got. And he's an extremely excellent officer. I think for the last 30 years, we have been working together. When I was Joint Commissioner Crime in Central City, he was the DCP traffic, and we interacted on a day-to-day basis. When I was in Indian language, he was IG, Eastern and Davangere. I mean, on day-to-day basis, and I'm very sure that one of the outstanding officers of this state is going to occupy the chair which I was occupying, and I'm very sure he will bring more laurels to the state police. And thank you very much for part of my team. And also, I think we all need to acknowledge police that a great force behind you is your family. Since the amount of sacrifice that police demands, it is not possible without the family really standing behind. And I think for all of us, not only for my family, for each one of us. So many nights when we are doing patrolling on the roads, we are in the crisis. We don't come in time, we don't look after the day-to-day needs of the family, and it's the wives who are really taking care of that. So I must compliment my family also. And I mean, all of you are in the same position. So when you go back, compliment your families also, or taking care of you when you are in the department. I must thank the place also. Extremely supportive. Extremely supportive. In the last 2 years, I do not think that I saw any news which was distorted. Some people might have tried here and there, but this was always there to ensure that our good work is protected without any interruption. I must thank for that. This is a very high metro space that we have. All my practice of there. And each and every man, we have got 110,000 police force. It's a big police force with so many units. Our social media teams for the last 2 years, each and every incident in law and order which arose was handled by why we were able to get information. Social media teams, not only the districts and cities, in the intelligence, in every organization we are having a social media team. Cybercrime. Cybercrime is such a modern now problem for the policing, but we have been able to keep pace with that. Perhaps we are the only state in the whole country where each and every police constable, each and every police officer is trained on how to handle the cybercrime. And now the cybercrimes are coming up. It is due to the very fact that we have been able to put fear into the mind of the criminals. We are capable in catching them. Similarly, I think the citizen-centric policing that is done. People come and tell me, my friends or even unknown people that we visited to answer citizen, and we are extremely happy with the behavior of the policemen was so good. I feel these are the transformative changes. I mean, at the end of it, society looks at us with a lot of expectation, and we have been able to achieve that. All the public services, passport verification, now it's so fast. People need not bother. It happens automatically. So I must compliment the Karnataka State Police Force, each and every man who is working in this categories. They are outstanding, and their contribution makes a contribution of the state. And as I had the privilege of being the head of the police force, the results that we were able to achieve was each one of you. So I must again thank all of you and say goodbye to active policing. But I'm always there whenever you want to advise personally. Thank you very much. Again, wishing a very, very good luck to Dr. Salim, who is my successor, and who is the next PG and MVP. Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming, Gordon, sir. You are returning from service, you continue to be part of the family, sir. Now I request our newly appointed DG and IGP, Dr. A. Salim, sir, kindly speak.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಇದೇ ವೃತ್ತದಂತಹ ಬಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಐಟಿಗಳಂತ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಲೋಕ್ ಮೋಹನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅಲೋಕ್ ಮೋಹನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರಿಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರಿಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಮಿಸುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಬಹಳ ಹಳೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಲೋಕ್ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರ ಮುಂದಾಳಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅದು ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬಾರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಐಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಐಡಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ನಂತರ ಅವರು ಸಿಐಡಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಐಡಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಐಸ್ಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಈಗ ಚೀಫ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಮೆಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಸಹ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಐಡಿ ಸಹ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಕರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಐಡಿ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಟಚ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಸಹ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರಮ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು 2 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಮಿತ್ರರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody, for coming and blessing this occasion, especially families. And invite all of you to kindly join us for this reflection. Thank you.